going on, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome to Shootin' a Shave. Today's shaving soap is going to be Talbot Shaving, and this is Double Trouble. Got the soap all whipped up in my bowl here, ready to go. Brush today is going to be my Yaqi High Mountain Silvertip Badger brush. This is a very easy soap to dial in. Didn't take a heck of a lot of time to get it to the consistency that I like. The scent of this soap is a very masculine scent, and the scent notes are leather, motor oil, cedar, coffee, and rose. Very unique scent profile. The scent of this strength on a 1 to 10, or excuse me, the scent strength on a 1 to 10 scale, I would put at mid-range at a 5 out of 10. I definitely wouldn't describe this soap as a date night soap. I would describe this soap as something to wear while you're doing something outdoors or something more casual. I'm all lathered up and ready to go here. Razor of choice tonight is going to be the RazoRock Hawk, and this is the version 1. This soap slickness, both primary and residual, is excellent. Making buffing, excuse me, easily achievable. And as I was saying before, definitely not a soap to use if you're going out on a date night. This is something for more casual things like hiking or outdoor activities, or working in the yard even. This is a scent that my wife is neutral on. Believe it or not, she doesn't hate it and she doesn't like it. Me, myself, I enjoy the scent. Awesome first pass. Alright, so back here for the second pass. This soap is definitely an interesting soap because it has a little bit of a backstory to it. It's a tribute to a man named Bill who grew up in the Great Depression, who fought in World War II. He was an avid pilot. He flew a I think it was a B-25 that was dubbed the Double Trouble, hence the name of the soap. Bill had a character, or his character traits were described as a person who was a believer in something bigger than himself. He was quick-witted, a great storyteller, a family man, an avid sailor, and someone that you could depend on. I think that it's awesome that this company dedicated this soap to someone like him. Seems like a really cool person to know. Awesome second pass. So I'm going to finish off the shave tonight with Chiseled Face Ghost Town Barber. This is the closest thing I have to the scent of that soap. It's a leather scent. This splash is slightly mentholated and it's awesome. So for a quick recap of what I used tonight, went with Talbot Shaving Double Trouble. Brush of choice tonight was my Yaqi High Mountain Silvertip Badger brush here. Razor of choice tonight was my RazoRock Hawk here, version 1. And I finished off the shave tonight with Chiseled Face Ghost Town Barber. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is going to conclude this video. Hope you guys all have a wonderful weekend. Take care. See you again soon.